Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my M18 Fuel Milwaukee reciprocating saw. It's the brushless version. Okay, so we got comes in a nice hard carrying case. You can also get the ones there, they just come in a bag, or you can buy them bare bone tool. I bought my Milwaukee's reciprocating saw in a kit. Same thing with my impact. Now, pull this out and I'll show you what I got inside. Oh my. So, I got my reciprocating saw. I got one battery here. Normally there's a charger in here, but I got it over on the bench. I'm going to go grab that, and I'll grab the other battery that goes in this kit, and then I'll show you what everything comes. Alright, so I went and grabbed that off the bench for the charger. Now you got two lights, one for the M12 batteries, one for the M18 batteries. So it's a dual charging station that comes in the kit. You got two 5 amp hour red lithium batteries, and you get the Sawzall. Now, has a little belt hook kind of deal here, which is kind of nice. Or you can just hang it off the side of the bench or your toolbox or wherever for the next time. Now, this is the M18 Fuel reciprocating saw. It's good weight. It's not overly heavy. Now I'll get you the model number here. Oh, model number 2720-20. I find these are great in the automotive industry when I'm doing exhaust work. I don't have to get the one that plugs into the wall. There's no cord to this, so I don't have to go get my extension cord. I don't have to go plug in the Sawzall, plug in the extension cord, then drag everything over to the vehicle, cut the exhaust, and away I go. This one here, I pull it out of my toolbox or pull it out of the case, slip the blade in the end, and start cutting. 10 minutes difference depending on where your power cord is, where your plug is, which bay you're working in, the whole 9 yards, right? So I mean, this year is definitely a time saver for me, and I absolutely love it. It's a great tool. It's mobile. I can take it wherever I want. I don't have to worry about an electrical outlet unless you run out of batteries. I had some branches at my home, had an issue, them hanging down closer to the house. Ended up climbing the tree. I just tied a rope to the handle, climbed the tree, pulled that up into the tree, cut the branches off, lowered it back down to the ground, climbed back down the tree. I was done. Junked all the branches up there with that. No issue. I think I used a battery and a half or something, doing junking like a box load, like a half-ton truckload of brush. So I mean, it works. Batteries last a decent amount of time, and I can't complain. So far it's been a really good tool. I mean, consistent use. It gets a bit warm here, but I mean, we're talking consistent use, like an hour and a half of straight use. Like any power battery operated tool is going to get hot over an hour and a half of consistent use. They're not really meant for that. They're meant for like doing a cut, 10-20 minutes later doing another cut, or a couple cuts every 10 to 20 minutes. But I was using this to like more or less junk firewood for the campfire, and yep, she lived up to it. Now when you get these, there's usually a tag inside here somewhere. You can enter in for a draw to win a Milwaukee toolkit, like a prize pack or a t-shirt or whatever. So make sure you go online and type in your code to put yourself into the draw when you pick one of these up. My next one that I'm going to go get is the the cutoff grinder. I'm going to pick up one of those, and that should do my little Milwaukee setup. And then I'll probably get the 3/8, might get a 3/8 impact and a 3/8 electric ratchet. We'll see. But so far I want the electric ratchet for sure. I want the cutoff wheel. I like to get one of those there, so when you do initial cut, say on like some piping or whatever, you don't have to make the blade work through the first section of the pipe. You can take your cutoff wheel on your electric cutoff grinder and just do a little slit, and then come back with that and finish the job off. Just allows the blade to get into the metal faster, and you don't have to heat up your blade on a section of steel. There you have it. That's my M18 fuel reciprocating saw from Milwaukee. If you'd like to see some of my other tool reviews, and you haven't already, and you want to subscribe, please do, and we'll see you next time.